Guys came by from American Glass and put my windshield in for me. Couldn't even tell it was there from the front, could you? I put the back glass in too. Now the interior work can start without everything getting wet. Stay tuned. We're getting the add-on air conditioning going. We're doing some wiring, getting the speakers in and the amp. Full video on Sunday. Making it work on YouTube. Jimmy, making it work. She might not look too pretty, but she sure sounds good. Just need some paint. What you guys doing today? I'm doing a little bit of high build primer on the 62, getting her ready for a little paint action. And figure while I'm at the painting phase, I might as well get my suspension arms ready to go. This coat is heavy. Yeah. Saw motor. Tailgate. Put some trim rings on the 62, letting it run a little bit. Put a better version of my gas door hole I had. I made a cover for it. Made a video about it. That's from eBay part that was 30 bucks.